morning. It's Heidi with Nest Pretty. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide, making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. Welcome to my closet. I love to come in here on Wednesdays and share with you how I like to implement the Nest Pretty lifestyle practically in my life. So the book is all about the mindset, the thoughts that create a beautiful life. And in my feed, I like to share with you practically how I implement that in my life. So one key way is with my wardrobe, with my closet, keeping it super simple. Because here's the thing, you have to get dressed every day. You might as well enjoy it. Now, have you ever had to go into your closet and get dressed in a hurry, or worse, in an emergency? And were you able to find what you needed? Do you feel like you open your closet and it's a bit of chaos and it just adds to the emergency, adds to your angst, adds to your morning of stress in getting ready? So when that happens, it not only affects you during emergencies, but it affects you every single day of your life. And I'm here to encourage you to nest pretty your closet so that it's one less thing that you have to worry about. And the same is true with not only our closet, but also our affairs. And when I say our affairs, I'm talking about the important papers in our life. The little map of our life that perhaps in the event of emergency someone else would have to piece together like a puzzle. So having those items in place is brilliant if there is an emergency. However, it also affects your everyday life. It's like a weight that's lifted off your shoulders. It's like a dark cloud that you can just pass away because you are like, I've got it. It's all together. And so this month in the Nest Pretty Facebook group, I'm going to do a training in there about how to nest pretty your affairs, and it's all about the papers. This is also a month to get all of your papers together for taxes, so it kind of goes hand in hand. And so join me in there if you're not there yet. If you are there, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, encouraging you to, one day at a time, one choice at a time, one small step at a time, to nest pretty your closet, your affairs, your schedule, all the things. And I'm here to show you, to clearly show you that it's a process. Even for me, it's an everyday choice of trying to make progress toward my goals. And I'm here to share the process with you. So thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't got the book, it's on Amazon. It's so much fun. And join me in the Facebook group. We'll be talking about how to nest pretty your affairs, the paper. And meanwhile, getting dressed this morning was a breeze because, the closet. I hope you have a fantastic day, and we will see you soon. And when I say we, I mean I. I will see you soon.